Dear students, today we are going to start chapter 2nd and its name is Health and Disease. In this chapter, we are studying about health, type of disease, their prevention and treatment. First of all, we must know what is health and disease. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-beingness and not merely the absence of any diseases. Disease. Disease is a condition of disturbances in psychological and physiological process of the body is called disease. We heard the names of various diseases like diabetes, common cold, asthma, Down syndromes, heart disease, etc. Reasons and symptoms of the all diseases are different to bring the coordination in scientific study of the diseases. Diseases are classified mainly into two classes. First is according to the duration and second is according to the regions. Let's know first of all about the diseases according to the duration. Diseases according to the duration are classified as a chronic disease and acute disease. Chronic disease is a disease or a disorder developing slowly and persisting for a long period of time, often for the remainder of the lifetime of the individuals. Examples of the chronic diseases are cancer, AIDS, kidney disease, diabetes, tuberculosis, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. Acute disease. Acute diseases are of a short duration, rapidly progressive, and in need of urgent care. Examples of the acute diseases are cough, cold, sleeplessness, and flu. Let's see the difference in between chronic diseases and acute diseases. Chronic disease frequently involve multiple systems, whereas acute disease usually isolate to one bodily area. Chronic disease have uncertain future, whereas in case of acute disease, response to the treatment. Chronic disease requires more care and resources to the normalized lifestyle, whereas in case of acute disease, it requires less care and resources because it is a temporary. Second type of diseases divided into two classes, that is hereditary diseases. Example is Down's syndrome, in which diseases are transferred from parents to the children. Children, those are suffering from the Down syndrome disease, need more care and attention. And second class is of acquired diseases. These acquired diseases are classified again into two subclasses, and they are infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. Infectious diseases spread through air, water, food, and vector-like insects, and they are called infectious diseases. And their examples are tuberculosis, hepatitis, dysentery, cholera, and typhoid. Let's know about the various infectious diseases one by one in detail. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease and it is carried out by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This disease is spread through spitting by a patient through air, prolonged contact, with the infected person and sharing of materials of a patient. Symptoms. Symptoms of the tuberculosis are chronic cough, bloody spitting, and difficulties in breathing. Prevention and treatment. In order to overcome the tuberculosis disease, infected person must be isolated. BCG vaccination and medication like DOT should be done. Jaundice or hepatitis. Pathogen of the hepatitis are hepatitis virus A, B, C, D, and E. Mode of the infection of the hepatitis are contaminated water, sharing of needles, and blood transfusion. Symptoms of the hepatitis are anorexia, yellow urine, general weakness, nausea, vomiting, and grey stool. Prevention and treatment for the hepatitis are to drink boiled water and keep your hands clean always. Dysentery. Pathogen of the dysentery are bacteria, virus, Shigella, bacilli, and Entomobia histolytica. Mode of the infection of the dysentery by the contaminated food and water. Symptoms of the dysentery are watery stool and pains in the abdomen. Prevention and treatment for the dysentery, and that is to drink a boiled water, maintain a proper storage of a food, and have a ORS solution. Cholera. The pathogen of the cholera is Vibrio cholerae. Mode of the infection of the cholera is by the contaminated food and water. Symptoms of the cholera are vomiting, severe diarrhea, and cramps in legs. Prevention and treatment for the cholera are to follow a proper hygienic practices, avoid open place food, drink boiled water, and do vaccination against cholera. Typhoid. Pathogen of the typhoid is Salmonella typhi. Mode of infection of typhoid is contaminated food and water. Symptoms of the typhoids are anorexia, headache, rash on abdomen, dysentery, and fever up to 104 Fahrenheit. Prevention and treatment for the typhoid is to drink clean water, do vaccination, and do proper disposal of sewage.